If you love iced coffee, but you're on a tight budget, the way this economy is, maybe you're just tired of spending $6 on a coffee. This is the video for you. And guess what? You don't need no equipment. So it's actually a story time behind why I started making my own iced coffee from home. One thing about me, I love me some Dunkin' Donuts. Regular caramel iced coffee with cream and sugar from Dunkin' Donuts. Oh baby, that was my to-go-to literally every single day. A cold Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee in the morning to start your day has always been my top favorite. Actually, I've been having some problems with Dunkin' Donuts. The service is not the best. And when I say not the best, I mean I probably called corporate probably 3 to 4 times in the last couple of months. And with me being a business owner, I just don't play when it comes to customer service. It was to the point I was getting messages, handwritten messages, free coffee coupons, and they were not trying to even take my coupons. And y'all know what I did? Called corporate again. What they did? Gave me more free coffee. No one has time for that. I am a full-time business owner and a full-time stay-at-home mom. Yes, I need my coffee. And yes, I need great customer service. And if I'm not going to receive it, I'll just make my own. See, lucky you came across this video because I'm going to show you how to make it. And guess what? You do not need a machine. So usually I get my cold foam from Aldi's, but this time I got something different. And let me tell you, it's so smooth and creamy. This is the best cold foam I've had so far. And I had to pair up the creamer with the sweet and creamy. International Delight is one of my favorites, and I've been using this company for years. Go-to for the creamer is usually caramel, but since I have everything else caramel, I wanted to do something different. And I know I'm going to butcher this name, but Torani? Yeah, I know I said it wrong. While I was at the store, I also had to pick up some caramel. This is the caramel I love. It's super thick, and it definitely gets the job done because these iced coffees are amazing. When it comes to adding all the little fun stuff to your coffee, that's cool. But this coffee right here, I know about this coffee on TikTok. Y'all know things go viral on TikTok. Everyone was saying go to Amazon and get it, and they were upcharging on Amazon. So I went to my local store and I got it on sale. Super excited. Cute glass mug I got from Dollar Tree. As you see, I'm using a blender cup. That's what I've been using to shake up the coffee for me, and it works. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. All this equipment, you don't need these fancy coffee machines. Never would have known instant coffee is the best way to go. If I'm missing any steps, I'll make sure I have it in the description below. If you love caramel like I do, your mug should look like this before you put the ice in. At this very moment, we do not have an ice maker, so we want to do what we gotta do. I just love to show you guys that there's never no excuses when it comes to wanting something, wanting to do something. Make sure you fill that ice all the way up to that top. And after you do, you shake it one more time. You add that coffee and look at it. Look at the God! Look the way the creamer come in. Look at it. I had to do a little spritz. Here goes my favorite part. I didn't realize how creamy it was. It's truly creamy. Look. And there goes your iced coffee. Having your cup of coffee before you head out the door is like top tier self-care. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button because we not done yet. It's time for spooky season. Girl had to hit up Dollar Tree. Fun fact about Mars, I don't care how much money I make, it will always be one of my top favorite stores. They just come out with the cutest accessories and home decor, especially for the holidays. They had all different types of shaker cups, wine glasses, shot glasses, you name it. Let me know, have your Dollar Trees already put the Halloween decorations up? And if so, what are you grabbing? I did grab a few things for decor around the house, but nothing major. I go back and do a Halloween haul. Every time I go to Dollar Tree, I'm excited. For Mars Custom Cases, spooky season has started. If you're looking for a Halloween phone case, a pair of Crocs, anything that could be in the boo basket, if you have any other customization in mind, let me know because I'm ready when you are. Let me tell you about this inflatable. It was
Oh, it's heavy.
heavy.
Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, feet. Nice.
My man over here talking about we need to get one of those ghosts. I'm trying to figure out where we're going to put it at. We definitely got an Easter mat last year, and I believe another mat for a different holiday. Might have been Christmas, not sure. Look at the gnome. It has bat wings. So I didn't do no big haul, but I did get a couple things. Look at the pumpkin. This little candle is super cute. It changes colors. Too adorable. Y'all think I should go back? But before we go anywhere, first coffee.